the guardian of a living language, Shri Naresh Chandra Padma Padma Shri 2026. In the quiet hills of Tripura, where stories once lived only in memory, a language waited to be written. For decades, Kokborok had a voice, but very little written word. Until one man picked up his pen and got to work. Born on 31st October 1944, Shri Naresh Chandra Padma grew up studying Bengali. Until one realization changed everything. If we don't write our own language, Kokborok, who will?
In the beginning, there were no written texts in Kokborok. After 1960, people started thinking about it as a language.
He was deeply inspired by Kokborok, a Kokborok grammar book by Daulat Ahmed, as well as by early pioneers such as Sudhanwa Varma, the first Kokborok literary writer, and Dr. Prabhas Chandra Dhar, who translated the Ramayana into Kokborok. Listening to Kokborok programs on Akashvani, he was inspired to pick up the pen and start writing himself. He started writing in Bengali in 1970. By 1980, he began writing in Kokborok. There was almost no literature to begin with, no foundation to build on. So he became the foundation. Over 50 years, 34 books, countless essays and research, he transformed Kokborok from a spoken identity into a written legacy. Today, Kokborok is taught in over 100 schools and dozens of colleges, with a growing community of scholars and teachers, a movement carried forward by his students. The younger generation is taking interest, and more staff are joining to teach Kokborok. Over the years, his work has been honored time and again, culminating now with the Padma Shri. But for him, this was never about personal recognition.
I'm very grateful, but this award is not just for me. It's for all Kokborok speakers.
Today, even in retirement, he continues writing, guiding, preserving. His dream is simple yet profound, for people to embrace Kokborok, to speak it, use it, and keep it alive in everyday life. A fading language found its champion, and with his pen, he brought it to life. As Kokborok rises, vibrant and enduring, one name will be etched with it forever. Shri Naresh Chandra Padma Padma Shri 2026. Koti Koti Namaskar.